Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today we'll be making some sausage, egg, and cheese muffins. So let's get started. You're gonna need some muffins, clearly, some ground sausage, eggs that we're gonna cook sunny side up, some pepper, seasoning, thyme, cheese, and onion. I'm gonna grate my onion down in here for extra flavor. So right there, as you can see, I grated my onion. I'm gonna add my peppers, and then I'm gonna season it up. You can season this however you want to, but these are the seasonings I used, and this is what it looks like. Next, you want to form your patties and sear them just like such. Get them nice and cooked all the way through. I did it for about 5 minutes on each side. Yes, look at that crunch. But anyway, guys, you want to flip all of them over, cook them for another 2 minutes before you add the cheese. Don't add the cheese immediately because you want to make sure the patties are cooked. Next, you want to start your eggs. I'm just going to cook them just like this. Cover them, and that's it. That's your sunny side egg.